Hello people, today I'm at Blackpool South Promenade Travelodge. I've not done this one before. I've done the one across from the football club, which was quite okay. So we'll have a look at this one, shall we? I booked a double, so let's take a look what it looks like. Right, as you can see, it's a double room. We've got lights, that's on the height, USB there. This one has it lit up. We've got nice firm pillows, clean as well. Let's have a look at this bed, shall we? And of course, mattress, it's got mattress protector on. Yeah, looks lovely and clean. Yeah. You've got this please tuck me up here to put on your door if you need your towels replacing or your tea, coffee, and empty your bins. I've already put the telly on ready, so we're not messing about with it. So as you can see, it works. Got a heater there. And then you got a chair, bucket type of chair. It's been scratched, but that's not Travelodge's fault. 2 pillows there. Excuse me, coat. And you got coat hangers. Got a full length mirror. Don't forget, if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And it gets me out there. So, about CPR as well. So, if you want to learn CPR, scan that QR code there. All you need is your smartphone and a pillow to practice. Right, and then this is my window. Oh, opens. As you can see, I'm right across from the Sandcastle water park. So, and that there is a South Pier, I think. Yeah. So, look, my finger's no good. I'm looking the other way. No, that one's South Pier. Over there. As you can see, that's the South Pier. And you've got the casino there. And of course, the little block of toilets as well that you pay for. And over that side, you've got the pleasure beach. And got partial sea view, very partial. So, but yeah, and then we've got this desk, got a bottle opener there. There's Freddie, and we've got your kettle, and your milks, and your teas, and your sugars and sweeteners. Plug sockets with USB again. Let's check the kettle. Kettle looks clean. Cups are clean, yeah. Yeah. And you've got this menu here as well. So, of course, they do food and drink here as well. So, you've got breakfast, you could pay for it. $9.99, which is buffet breakfast, so all you can eat. And kids eat for £1. And then you got this the meal deal for $14.50. But I was reading, yeah, got here £1.50 supplement for anything that's got this mark on. So there. So majority, basically. So out of the mains, you got one that you can have, which is the cauliflower curry. And then out the pizzas, you've only got the veggie pizza you can have out the deal. But you can have the burgers. And for a view of the main menu, or the full menu, there you go, the QR code. So yeah, and then your remote control there, and then another bucket chair there, and a bin there. And then we've got more lighting here. So yeah, and a couple of USB sockets as well, and another little shelf. Right, let's go and take a look at the bathroom, shall we? See, I've never had just a shower in a Travelodge. It's always been a bath. So yeah, this is new to me for a Travelodge. I don't think I have anyway, I don't recall, but yeah. Shower looks clean. Should we have a look what the pressure's like? Yeah. Yeah, getting hot already. So yeah, that's fine. Yeah, and just wipe. As you can see, got a towel there. The sink, hand wash there, hair and body wash there. Shavers plug. And again, mirror. Toilet roll, disposable sanitary bags, more toilet roll, shower mat, and bath towel, and coconut. Let's have a look at this toilet, make sure it's clean as well. Yeah. Yeah, clean. So, yeah. I paid $24.99 a night. I'm here for 5 nights, and I think it works out 120 quid. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you think it's worth it? I haven't had a look under the bed. Yeah, looks clean. But yeah, let me know what you think. I think it's worth it for $24.99 a night. We are at beginning of the season we're on 2nd March today, so yeah. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Would you stay here? I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.